Well, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So we're off to the races in 2024. We had our first official trading day of the year, and we're going to go right into Yahoo Finance and look over how we did in all of our funds. So for those of you keeping track at home, I did make a move today. I bought some Square stock. It fell about $5.13. So it's not quite the buying point that it was back in October, but I still think it's a good buying point, relatively speaking. So let's look at the market and how we fared today. Hope everybody's 2024 is off to a great start so far, as best as we can hope for. Hopefully, like I say, that's the case, that it's a good start for everyone. The futures are down again across all the major indexes. We were down pretty significantly, actually, in the NASDAQ and the S&P. I believe the Dow was either slightly up or very minimal, either way. The Russell, I was looking to make that play on the Russell today. So we were down. Square stock was down to 72.22, so I did buy about 50 shares or so of this one. SQY, Coney were all down. Coinbase was actually way down. Coinbase might actually be at the best buying point we're going to see it at for the foreseeable future, because it probably could just run up from here on. Tesla was up 5 cents. Again, the Russell was down today. Citibank stock is up. TNA is the directional daily small cap bull. I couldn't remember this one today, actually, when I was at work. I want to buy into some of this because this could be, relatively speaking, the best buying point that we see for a while. Let me check something here. Yeah, lots of red, absolutely. I'll get to the comments at the end. Haitai actually did really well, though, today. We'll look at that, too. So the Direction Daily Small Cap Bull 3X shares, TNA, for the Russell 2000. So if we go back a year, we're close to a 52. Actually, the 52-week high was 44.76, and then the 52-week low was 21.82, and we were at 40.01 December 18th. So we've fallen a bit from the high points over the last 6 months or so. Again, we're close to where we were in July before things kind of fell again. And like I say, I'm still expecting a really good year for all the indexes this year. So we were up 32.41% over the last year in this one, which is phenomenal. And I think 2024 could be the year of the small cap. So that's definitely one in the coach's playbook that I plan to get into. But we will see. We will see how things play out. As far as Tesla stock was, let's see, 248.42. We were only down slightly, but we were up in TSLY. So I guess for the day, or for the year to date, even though we're only a day in as far as trading, TSLY outperformed Tesla. So that's always a good sign, right? Okay, let's see. Let me check something else here. I just want to check because once we get past a certain hour, it only shows us the futures. So I just wanted to look again at where we had closed, if I'm able to find it. And apologies, my head's kind of in the gutter a bit today. Let's see here. I'm looking up CNBC. Okay, I'm going to go to markets, US markets, and then we'll switch to screen share in just a second here. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Here's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to switch the screen over to CNBC, cover this real quick, then we'll get to comments, and then we're just going to have a quick one tonight. We're not going to be too long here. All right, so let me stop this screen share, and then we will share over here. We will share CNBC real quick, just so we can go over what we couldn't see on Yahoo. So the Dow was up slightly, 25 points. NASDAQ was down 245. S&P was down 27. There's gold, crude oil, and so on. So there's that. All right, now let's get to some comments here. Okay, so Door Gunner was on, said, lots of red today. I agree. Blake is on, said Ontario increased its store limit, so High Tie had a good day today. Oh, that was the news that drove it. I noticed that because my High Tie actually did really well. Hopefully Jay drops the YieldMax fund soon. Really want it. I'm going to try to work on having him back on pretty soon. G-Man says, hello, coach. Oh, hello, G-Man. Blake also says the Fed kept drawing its balance sheet down while the SPY ripped into the end of the year. I worry it was a sucker's rally. Hopefully not. Also wonder what the new AI fund dividend will be. Well, we'll see. We will see. But anyway, that's about all I have for you all this evening. Thank you all for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what we got here from Blake real quick. My favorite AI plays are FLNC and STEM. They are both working toward becoming dominant in electricity arbitrage. Interesting. We'll have to look into those in a future video. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in again. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you all on the flip side. Take care and have a great rest of your evening.